Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Following that, choose Receive on Samsung and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots on your Android smartphone and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Get It. Now on Samsung, choose Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing their device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Done. Then select Receive, and after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!